Hi, this is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Nissan Navara, stock reference number 5784. This shape ran from the 12th of 2006 to the 5th of 2010. It has a D40 4-cylinder 2.5 litre turbo diesel engine backed by an auto all-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our D40 4-cylinder 2.5 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front wheel, factory alloy mag. 16-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, 1 dent. Left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Tailgate, 1 dent. Right hand tail light. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, 1 dent. Right front door, no dents. Right hand mirror. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Right hand headlight. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console. Gear stick. Heat AC controls, touchscreen display, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, right hand sun visor, tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise control.